This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the source footage and confirming reuse rights. That prevents takedowns. Once chosen, define your short. 15 to 60 seconds, vertical 9, 16, and a clear hook in the first 3 seconds. Open your editor, import the clip, and set a 9:16 sequence with 30 or 60 FPS to match the source. Make sure to enable safe margins and grid overlays so framing stays focused on the subject. Once your sequence is ready, reframe or crop so the subject fills the vertical frame. You want eyes or action centered. Then trim down to 1 to 3 core moments, remove dead space, and use quick jump cuts to maintain energy. Add bold captions synced to speech because many watch muted, and include punchy audio, a sound effect or music bed under 5% volume ducking under voice. Make sure the first second visually and audibly hooks the viewer. You're ready to export. Choose H. 264, 1080 by 1920, and 8 to 12 Mbps for good quality with small file size. Once exported, craft a short title, add one strong hashtag, and pick a compelling cover frame that previews the hook. Upload via YouTube Studio Mobile or web and schedule or publish. If upload fails or quality drops, re-encode with a different preset or create a proxy edit. That usually fixes codec mismatches and audio sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.